Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to access your Google Drive in your Google Sheets application. But before I do that, I want to say one thing. Please subscribe, comment, and like our videos because it really helps us grow. Okay? Now let's jump into it. As you can see, I'm in the Google Sheets application right now. I'm signing into my freshly created brand new account, which I've created only for these videos. But let's say I want to access my Google Drive for this because I have some files there. How can I do that? Well, what you're gonna do is click on these three lines in the top left corner of your phone. After that, you have an option a little bit at the bottom called Google Drive. If you click on that, it will take you automatically to your Google Drive and it will all appear there, all of your Google Drive files. Okay guys, thanks for listening. See you in the next one.